Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. This is Vision Weaving. Today's healing energy transmission is called Star Power. This is to assist you to fulfill your quest to find the treasure that is you, the treasure that is your fulfillment, the hero's journey, your soul mission, your life purpose, the role of a lifetime. I trust that your guidance has brought you here. All you need to do to receive this healing is to nod or affirm yes. You can have eyes closed, eyes open, it doesn't matter. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. I feel a gathering of forces here today, a gathering of spiritual forces. And in opening this session, I'm reminded of the wise words from an elder that no force on earth is stronger than the spiritual power available to us at any moment. The spiritual power that's available to each and every one of us is here with you today. So as we settle into our physical body and we quieten the mind, soften the mind, the nervous system relaxes. As we start to dial it down and tune into our internal world, reflect the focus inwards, our senses are heightened and we can become aware of the entourage of very powerful spiritual warriors that surround us right here, right now. Our guides, our spirits, our angels, our ancestors, our loved ones who have passed over, the Legion of Light from the highest of high, the presence of God, the presence of Goddess, right here, right now, in the present moment. So all of these beings that have gathered here today to be with you, to hold you, to guide you, to nurture you, to nourish you, so that you feel safe, so that you feel held, remembering that you are a child of God. All of these beings in the unseen realms deliver and support so much power in you to find your way. And what's being awakened here today and what's being ignited here today is the memory of yourself as a spirit, is the memory of yourself at the essence of your being, the divine spark, that eternal flame that burns so bright within your being. No matter what else is happening in your day-to-day life, no matter the confinements or restrictions or the problems or the obstacles in your life, the center of your being is this radiant, pulsing flame, and it's glorious to behold. And this is your star power. Because this essence of you is deeply connected to the all and everything, to the source of all creation. older than time itself, beyond this lifetime, beyond space and time, through all dimensions. This radiant jewel, essence of being, who you are. Maybe you've forgotten. Maybe this jewel is covered in dust, tucked away, because you're so absorbed in the busyness of life. But just today, just for this moment, we're dusting that jewel off and we're holding it up into the light so that you can see every little facet, every little prism, every little rainbow, this aspect of being so connected, deep sense of belonging, safe, secure, comfortable in the skin that you find yourself, connected to your heart, grounded to planet Earth, with wind in your sails, motivation, inspiration, joy and wonder, leading the way. Even if there's confusion and tangles, this radiant jewel of essence of your being, your star power shines so bright so that you can find your way. Take another deep breath. And with this connection to the essence of your being, your star power, comes an awareness of the presence of our star family, their guidance, their counsel, their benevolent support, kind and compassionate, holding space for you to remember who you are, come home to yourself, recognize in another that beautiful radiant spirit, and there you are. Welcome home. Welcome home, my loves. Welcome home. I'm hearing ta-da, vision waving, like you're about to step on stage. Like you are stepping on stage into the spotlight.